So on 14 and 15, on 14, it's showing you these proofreading marks. Okay, so we're gonna do a couple of these proofreading marks together, so you kind of get the idea of it, because this happens quite a few times in your grammar book, and I don't want you to be confused. So on the side, it's kind of like a map key, right? On this side here, it's kind of like a map key, but it's a proofreading marks key, right? So you'll make these marks depending on what you're doing. On this page, there are only 4 missing capitals and 4 incorrect end marks. So today we're going to correct those. Looking at the first thing where it says question, are koalas bears? Q stands for question, right? Are koalas bears? Do you see a problem with that first number 1? What's the problem? Cassandra? It's not a question mark. So on that one where it says are koalas bears, you are going to, with the period, that mark that says take out, you are going to make that mark to take out the period. Then you are going to do that add mark, right? That caret add mark for a question mark. Okay, that caret for question mark, right? You're adding it, adding it here. Question mark. Right? So you're taking out the period with that mark, right? That's showing you over here, take out. And then you're adding with that little caret the question mark. Okay, so as a reminder for the capital letter one, right? Look at the answer. What does it say? Read it. Good. So, does anybody see a problem with that sentence? Jayon. They does not have a capital letter. So, for that one that has the mistake of the capital letter, they are related to koala bears. Right? For that part, you are going to put 3 small lines underneath that T, showing that it needs to be a capital letter. Okay? So those are the marks you'd be making, right? And then if you're adding a period instead of a question mark, right? That would be a dot with a circle around it, also with that like caret, adding it in, right? So you're using the marks, the correction marks, right? The proofreading marks to make these corrections. We found 2, right? But there's 8 total, so you still need to find 6 more. And then on the other page, right, where it says write, you are going to write a statement and a question for each of the animals on top, okay? So for the elephant, right? Elephant, which I'll go ahead. This is how you spell elephant, right? For the elephant, the shark, and the cat, right? So elephant would be number 1, shark would be number 2, and cat would be number 3. You're going to write a statement and a question for those. Okay.